Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic of the course Entrepreneurship Development and Business Management of BSc Honors ABM degree program. The name of the topic is Types of Entrepreneurs. In this topic, we are going to discuss different types of the entrepreneurs based on the different criteria. Now, first category of the types is according to the type of business. In this category, there are four types. First one is business entrepreneurs, second one is trading entrepreneurs, third one is industrial entrepreneurs, and fourth one is agricultural entrepreneurs. The first one, business entrepreneur. Business entrepreneurs are the individuals who conceive an idea for a new product or service and then creates a business to materialize their idea into reality. Business entrepreneurs tap both production and marketing resources in their search to develop a new business opportunity. They may set up a big establishment or a small business unit. Second type is trading entrepreneurs. Trading entrepreneur is the one who undertakes trading activities and is not concerned with the manufacturing. He identifies potential markets, stimulates demand for his product line and creates a desire and interest among the buyers to go in for his product. Then third type is industrial entrepreneurs. Industrial entrepreneur is essentially a manufacturer who identifies the potential needs of the customers and tailors a product or service to meet the marketing needs. He is a product oriented man who starts in an industrial unit because of the possibility of making some new product. Then third type is agricultural. Then third one is industrial entrepreneur. Industrial entrepreneur is essentially a manufacturer who identifies the potential needs of the customers and tailors a product or service to meet the marketing needs. He is product oriented man who starts in an industrial unit because of the possibility of making some new product. Then last type is agricultural entrepreneur. Agricultural entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who undertake agricultural activities as raising and marketing of crops, fertilizers and other inputs of agriculture. They cover a broad spectrum of agriculture sector and include its allied occupations. So this was the first category of entrepreneurs, that is according to the type of business. Then second category of entrepreneurs is according to the use of technology. In that there are two types. First one is technical entrepreneurs and second one is non-technical entrepreneurs. We will discuss first category, technical entrepreneurs. Technical entrepreneur is essentially compared to a craftsman. A craftsman develops improved quality of goods because of his craftsmanship. He concentrates more on production than marketing. Then next is non-technical entrepreneurs. Non-technical entrepreneurs are those who are not concerned with the technical aspects of the product in which they deal. They are concerned only with developing alternative marketing and distribution strategies to promote their business. Then third type of the is according to the motivation. In this category there are three types. First one is pure entrepreneurs, second one induced entrepreneurs and third one is motivated entrepreneurs. First one, pure entrepreneur. A pure entrepreneur is an individual who is motivated by psychological and economic rewards. He undertakes an entrepreneurial activity for his personal satisfaction in work, ego or status. Then second type is induced entrepreneur. Induced entrepreneur is the one who is induced to take up an entrepreneurial risk due to the policy measures of the government that provides assistance, incentives, concessions and necessary overhead facilities to start an venture. A person with a sound project is provided package assistance for his project. Then third type in this category is motivated entrepreneurs. New entrepreneurs are motivated by the desire for self-fulfillment. They come into being because of the possibility of making and marketing some new product for the use of consumers. Then third type of the entrepreneurs is according to the growth. In this category there are two types. First one is growth entrepreneurs and second one is super growth entrepreneurs. Growth entrepreneurs are those who necessarily take up a high growth industry which has substantial growth and aspects. Then second is super growth entrepreneurs. Super growth entrepreneurs are those who have shown enormous growth of performance in their venture. The growth performance is identify the liquidity of the funds, profitability and gearing. Then last type of entrepreneurs is according to the stages of development. In this type there are three subtypes. First one is first generation entrepreneurs, second is modern entrepreneurs and third one is classical entrepreneurs. Now we will see first one, first generation entrepreneurs. First generation entrepreneur is one who starts an industrial unit by innovative skill. He is essentially an innovator combining different technologies to produce marketable produce or services. Then second one is modern entrepreneurs. Modern entrepreneur is one who undertakes those ventures which go well along with the changing demand in the market. They undertake those ventures which suit the current marketing needs of the customers. And then third category is classical entrepreneurs. Classical entrepreneur is one who is concerned with the customers and marketing needs through the development of a self-supporting venture. He is a stereotype entrepreneur whose aim is to maximize his economic returns at a level consistent with the survival of the firm with or without an element of growth. So this is all about the types or classification of entrepreneurs. Thank you.